Doing a little urban exploring today, and we're in the old Hewes Brothers building in downtown Gulfport, and they call this the bird cage. It's one of the oldest elevators in Mississippi. So it's pretty cool. Definitely deserves a little video. So I figured I'd come in and show it to you guys. It's actually operational still to this day. They just have it turned off so no one can use it for safety reasons. So let's see. You can actually see all the old electric motors behind it. Let's see if we can see a little view. Look at that old electrical over there. And they call it a bird cage because from above it actually looks like a bird cage. So let's go upstairs and get a little view of it from up above and show you exactly why they call it the bird cage. And this from above, it's about the best view I can get, but as you can see, it resembles a bird cage. Pretty neat. And this is in downtown Gulfport, a historical area. The building has actually survived several hurricanes, Camille, Hurricane Katrina. Got a major restoration redone after Hurricane Katrina, of course. But birdcage is still intact and still operational. You can see way up there. You can still see the old cable wheel in there. So this thing's actually pretty neat. Pretty glad they actually kept it in here and stuff like that. So yeah, I think they're kind of missing the cap to that. But everything is off. All right, hope you guys enjoyed it. From the birdcage in downtown Mississippi from the Hewes Brothers building.